Hi everyone! For the first part of our video, pag-uusapan natin yung organizing or organization. So ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng organization? Organization refers to a group of people that systematically communicates and cooperates or tinatawag natin communication and collaboration with one another to achieve the common goals and objectives. Remember the first step of management activities, which is planning. So after maplano lahat, na-assign na yung resources, which includes time, money, and people. Okay, so pag-organize ng tao is included in the second step, which is the organization. Or literally, this is a group of people, no, doing something, maybe differently, maybe doing different things, but there is a common objective and a common goal to accomplish. Organizing can also be defined kung hindi sa tao, sa tasks naman. It is the process of giving away tasks, distributing and dividing them, and then interconnect the tasks given sa mga working units or departments. Again, with the same goal and objective to make the company or institution successful. When we talk about organization structure, this has something to do with the breakdown of workload. So, syempre, after yung plano, mabuo, hahatiin ngayon yung mga list of activities according to, depende, pwedeng skill, pwedeng sa department, pwedeng sa area. So, again, the same goal, that is to meet the objectives and improve the performance of the company. Okay? To organize a structure, we are trying to remove redundancies and overlapping of roles and responsibilities. Kasi nga naman, if there are redundant activities or trabaho na dodoble or nagpapasa-pasa or nagpapatong-patong, may mga trabaho or tasks na naiiwan, sayang yung time and effort kung kaya namang gawin ng sabay-sabay. And to further represent the graphical way ang isang organization, kaya tayo nagka-come up ng organization chart or the organizational chart. So, alam natin kung ano itsura niyan. We're doing this in PowerPoint so many times, and it indicates the different roles and arranged by hierarchy or the scope of authority and control. Depende dun sa position and not necessarily doon sa person. This also indicates hindi lang yung position, the roles and the scope of the roles and responsibility, pati yung sweldo o yung incentives to pay, and whom to report and coordinate. Alright, so to our next video, meron pa tayong more discussions about organization. So see you around.